What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. We have a new product for you guys that we're going to review today. Today we're going to be reviewing some gaming headphones. Y'all look at these gaming headphones. These are actually wireless. It does come with the adapter. You will see me show it in the picture, I believe. In the corner, you see the adapter. These are some high quality headphones. They do glow once you plug them in or once you turn them on. They are Bluetooth paired, so they do pair with your Bluetooth. Let me go grab the box real quick. On the box, we have the surround sound with the Merge experience, glowing LED lights, the 3 types of connectivity, the noise canceling. I can't talk, honey. I can't talk today. Anyway, the noise canceling microphone, the 1-click to mute, and it comes with the USB-C transmitter with a USB-A adapter. Okay? Yeah, y'all go get these. These are like bomb. Like, my boyfriend said these are the best headphones he has ever had. Like I said, they're Bluetooth. You can charge them with a C charger. It is a C charger to charge them with. As you can see, I'm turning them on. All you do is press one simple button. Well, hold it, and it'll come on for you. And it'll be ready to pair and Bluetooth. So once you see that blue light come on, it's basically coming on, and you're gonna see the lights at the bottom. It's gonna pair. So, yeah, this will be a great gift. Great gifting idea. Like I said, they are having a Black Friday, Cyber Monday event going on. And if you have an Amazon Prime account, you already know what time it is. You already know, no free shipping half of the time. Most of the time, free shipping. And most of the time, you're going to get it quick. So, y'all go check this out. Y'all go get y'all one. See, I'm showing the box. All right, y'all. Have a good one. Stay blessed.